Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is the mass of a container completely filled with biscuits is 1 by 10 kg. When it is 1 by 3 filled with biscuits, its mass is 7 by 10 kg. What is the mass of the empty container? Read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. We have to find it mass of the empty container. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let the mass of the empty container be x kg. Mass of container plus mass of biscuits equals to 11 by 10 kg. When the container is 1 by 3 filled with biscuits, mass of container plus 1 by 3 mass of biscuits equals to 7 by 10 kg. Now let's subtract the second equation from the first. 2 by 3 mass of biscuits equals to 11 by 10 minus 7 by 10. 4 by 10. 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. 2 by 5 kg. Now let's find the mass of empty container. From the second equation, x plus 1 by 3 of 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 2 equals to 7 by 10. X plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 6 by 10 equals to 7 by 10. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. X plus 1 by 5 equals to 7 by 10. X equals to 7 by 10 minus 1 by 5. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 7 minus 2 by 10. 5 by 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 1 by 2 kg. So the mass of the empty container is half kg or 500 grams. Want to see the solution from start to finish? Watch the full video again to understand how I solve this Math Olympiad problem. The second question is the sum of three consecutive even numbers is 102. Find the numbers. So here we have to find the three consecutive numbers. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's assume that x plus 1, x plus 2 are three numbers and we know their sum is 102. x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 102. 3x plus 3 equals to 102. 3x equals to 102 minus 3. 3x equals to 99. X equals to 99 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 33s are 99. X equals to 33. Next, x equals to 33 plus 1 equals to 34. X plus 2 equals to 33 plus 2 equals to 35. So, the numbers are 33, 34 and 35. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.